Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel or you're just knowing about my existence, thank you as well for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'll showing you how to do this beautiful lovely hair. The first thing I did was to sew down my net onto the wig cap. As you can see, I'm sewing from the middle at the back, from the middle to the front. Don't sew from the front to the back. So when I was done sewing the net onto the wig cap, I went ahead to cut out the black net underneath the net I just sewn down, and I already started making the hair off camera. This is just it. I did the regular crochet braids, and then I braid on it. So this is just what I'm doing right here. I started from the front because of course the front part is the most important part. Then after the front part, I moved to the crown area before doing the back side. That was how I did this wig. So you guys should just continue watching. So when I was done with the front part, I moved to the crown area. As you can see, I'm packing a lot of hair around this area. You don't want this place to be scanty. If your crown area is scanty, your wig won't come out nice. The scalp will be showing, or the net, whatever is there in that crown area will be showing, and that won't look nice. So you want to pack in a lot of hair to this place. Don't even worry about the back or the sides. The crown area is a very important part of wig making, so you want to fill the place in with a lot of hair. As you can see, I'm putting a lot of hair in this crown area. And the way I did the crown area was different from how I did the front part. As you can see, I'm not knotting the extension now, but when I was doing the front parts, I was knotting it like the normal crochet method. But I found out that this method is better. The way I was doing the crown area is better than the way I did the front part, because with the front part I was struggling to hide the knots, but with this style, the way I was doing the crown area, I wasn't struggling with the braids, you know. I wasn't struggling to hide the knot because there weren't any knots there. So it's better you do it that way, the way I was doing the crown area. And after that, I moved to the back and I'll just continue doing the hair like that without knotting it. Of course, this is the best way to do it if you want to do it. If you want your hair to be nice and very neat, if you want it to come out neatly and you don't want to struggle with it, this is the best way to do it. Don't knot it, just pass your hair through like that and do your braids.
My heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody.
So this is how the hair is looking when I was done with the pick and drop. I spaced the back a lot. I didn't put a lot of hair at the back because it will be too heavy for the person. I'm actually making this for a client. So when I was done with the pick and drop, I just started twisting it. You want to make sure that this twist is tight, like make it really tight. If you want your coils to come out beautifully, I would advise you to make your twist very tight, and make sure to twist your hair to the very tip of the extension hair.
Cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody.
Now this is what you shouldn't do. Don't just twist the hair like do your regular twist, because when you let go it will loosen. What I would advise you to do, or rather what I'm doing, is twisting the hair by itself before putting it on each other to make the actual twist. So what I'm doing here is twisting the hair, the both strands, before putting it on each other, and so when I let it go it won't unravel. So that is how you should do it. As you can see, it didn't loosen, so that is how you should do it.
Oh, na, na. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that
So when I was done twisting it, this is how the hair is looking. As you can see, from looking at it, you can tell that this hair is tightly twisted. Then I went ahead to dip it in hot water and I allowed it to air dry overnight. So this is the next morning, and then I'll start unraveling the hair. I'll put some oil on my hand and start unraveling the twist. Just unravel it gently. So this is the reason why you should twist your hair tightly, because after unraveling it, as you can see, the twists are still tight. I mean, the cords are still tight. So I unraveled everything and now I'm just spraying some spray on it. This is not necessary, you can skip this part. And after that, I sprayed it with some oil. This is the oil sheen that I'm spraying it with right now. And after doing all those, I'll just allow the hair to air dry. And yeah, that is the finished look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and also share with family and friends. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.